In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Temu profile link in this 2026 guide. If you need to share your Temu profile with someone, the process is usually very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check for your profile link directly on the Temu website using a desktop or laptop browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Temu website. Make sure you're using the official site so you can access the correct account and profile options. Once the website loads, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in to your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your account details and complete the sign-in process before moving on. After you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This icon is the main entry point to your account settings and profile area. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu or profile options. From there, open your profile page. Depending on how the site is displayed, this may appear as a direct profile option, or you may need to select something that leads to your account page first and then open the profile from there. The important thing is to get to the page that represents your public or viewable profile. Once your profile page is open, check the address bar at the top of your browser. If Temu provides a public shareable profile link for your account, the URL shown there should be the link you can copy. Highlight the full web address, copy it, and save it wherever you need, whether that's in a message, a note, or a document for later use. One important thing to keep in mind is that not every account page is necessarily public or designed to be shared. So if you copy the link and it doesn't work for other people, that may simply mean Temu does not currently provide a public-facing profile URL in the way you expect. In that case, you may need to look for a dedicated share button or profile sharing feature on your profile page if one is available. And that's it. Open the Temu website, sign in, click your profile icon, open your profile page, and copy the address from the browser if a shareable profile link is available. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to find again.